In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove credit card from TradingView. If you've updated your card, want to tidy up old payment details, or simply prefer not to keep a card on file, removing a credit card from TradingView is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact path in the interface and share a few helpful notes so you know what to expect as you go. Start by opening TradingView and signing into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left of the page for your profile icon. It may show your avatar or initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. This is your hub for profile controls and account-related settings. Next, move your cursor over your profile name to reveal additional options, then select Settings and Billing. Hovering there expands the area you need, and Settings and Billing is where TradingView keeps all of your account preferences, plan details, and payment information. Give it a moment to load. It usually opens in a new panel or page. Inside Settings and Billing, navigate to the Payment Methods section. You'll typically find it listed clearly in the sidebar or within the billing area. This is the place that shows every save payment option associated with your TradingView account, such as credit and debit cards. Here, you'll see your current payment methods along with controls to manage them. Locate the specific card you want to remove and look for a remove option or a small delete or trash icon next to it. Click that, and if a confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you want to proceed. After you confirm, the card should disappear from the list, indicating it's no longer stored on your account. If you have multiple cards saved, repeat the same action for any others you want to clear out. A quick note: removing a card does not cancel any active subscription you may have. It only takes the card off file. If you have a renewal coming up, make sure you've handled your plan settings separately so there are no billing interruptions or unexpected charges. Also, if your account requires at least one valid payment method for an active plan, you may need to keep one card on file until your billing situation changes. That's all there is to it. Click your profile icon at the top left, hover over your profile name, and choose Settings and Billing. Go to Payment Methods, and remove the card you no longer want saved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your TradingView billing details with confidence.